welcome to an ordinary review with PJ. It's a Sunday afternoon today, and typically how are Sunday afternoons like? They're meant to be lazy, isn't it? You've had a good lunch and are looking forward to a siesta in the afternoon, but before that want to catch up on your favorite book that you have been reading. You want to jump onto your lounge chair or hop onto your bed, read till you fall asleep. Reading books has something that I have picked up since young age. Mystery stories has something that has fascinated me since I was a kid. I have grown up on the stories of the Hardy Boys, the Famous Five, the Secret Seven, even Nancy Drew, and of course later on moved on to Sherlock Holmes, Hercule Poirot, and many other Agatha Christie mystery novels. Perhaps one character that I missed reading during those days was the famous character of Perry Mason by Earl Stanley Gardner. There have been many mystery novels written on Perry Mason. He was a character quite famous, adapted in multiple TV series during the 50s and the 60s in the US. There is even a radio show that I found out on Perry Mason stories, available on podcast these days. So today the series that I'm going to review for you is Perry Mason from HBO. It is available on Disney Hotstar. This series has been produced by Robert Downey Jr., the famous Iron Man, and stars Matthew Rhys as Perry Mason. It is supposedly his origin story of how he actually came out of war and then got into private investigation, was hired by a famous lawyer to investigate a case, and eventually becomes a criminal defense lawyer when his mentor lawyer dies. This particular series focuses on the kidnapping of a 1-year-old baby for ransom, and unfortunately the kidnapping goes awry and the baby dies, and he is hired to investigate what transpired. The needle of suspicion falls on the father first, quickly moves on to the mother, and the mystery deepens about what really led to the kidnapping and death of the baby. The series is set in 1930s, so the entire decor of those times is well brought out. The costumes and also the sets. It also covers, very interestingly, the Christian cult during those days, where the church was trying to make people believe into miracles. Also highlights the racial segregation that was felt there, where a black cop who actually is investigating one of the murders has a clue, but he's afraid to talk to his superiors because of he being black and the superiors being white. Overall, a good engaging series, but it's a slow burn. It will take time for you to watch this series. It moves very slowly. At times you will feel a little impatient, but hang on, it does get interesting towards the later part of the episodes when Matthew Rhys becomes a criminal defense lawyer. Those episodes are particularly engaging as to his legal arguments and will keep you hooked to the edge of your seat. Overall, I would say a good series to watch if you love mystery novels, if you love mystery stories, but as I said, it is going to be a slow watch, so you will need time and patience to watch it. One word of caution though, there are some explicit scenes and some gory scenes in the series. So do have viewer discretion as you watch it. May not be meant for watching it with small kids. So overall, I would say a good series for you to see on a good lazy Sunday and catch it up on subsequent weekends if you can't do a binge watch. So have fun, watch it if you like it. Thank you.